Hola there, Chico Locos. Welcome back to Chico Locos Kitchen. Today, we're gonna try something new, okay? We're gonna try this air fryer because we've been doing oil fryer. So, to try something new, we're gonna do some pork ribs. And let me bring it like this. We're just gonna add some seasoning. There you go. Sama, slap your mama. Ha ha! Be careful, don't slap her too hard. Alright. And of course, I picked the one with low sodium, you know, because you got too much salt and it's bad for your blood pressure. Alright, we're gonna mix it a little bit and we're gonna put it in the fryer. Stick it in there. We're just gonna turn it a little bit. Get a little bit marinated. Alright. We'll wash our hands. Already preheated. I guess you gotta go on and then preheat and then start. Okay? But it's already preheated. I already did it, so we're gonna cancel it. We're gonna put the thingamajiggies in there. You hear it? It's already hot. I'll put it with my fingers. Anyways. Now remember, we're just gonna try this air fryer that I received as a gift. Ta-da! So it should take a few minutes. Let's see. Alright. Power. And you put steak. It says 10 minutes. Start. Alright. We'll be back. We'll see how it goes. Okay? Thank you.
We almost done.
Okay, Chico Locos. It's almost done. Less than a minute left. We'll see how it is. Get closer so you can hear it. It's frying in there. Alright. I don't know. Surprise me, air fryer. Because, there you go. N-E-N-D. Holy guacamole, would you look at that? I think a little bit more of temperature. Yeah. Where's the oil? Ah, there it is. There's the oil. So this is healthy cooking. I'm starting to like it. We'll put a few more minutes and we'll see how they come out. Alright, so it's done. We'll put an extra 5 minutes, so it's total 15 minutes. And look how it's done. There you go, that's how it's supposed to be. So, we're gonna put one over here. It's done inside. Yep. It tastes well. So don't forget to do some of this. Slap your mama. Alright? Remember, don't slap her too hard. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, Chico Locos, this is it for today. It's not that hard. Alright, it's just plain ribs. Put some rubbing, slap your mama. Or you can put some other kind of seasoning if you want. So I'll see you back again. Don't forget, back in this channel, Chico Locos Kitchen with Chef Chico Loco.